In life, everyone dreams of becoming something great. We all want to succeed, to make a difference. That's why so many people watch motivational videos and read inspiring quotes every day. But still, most people don't see much change in their lives. Why is that? Because motivation alone doesn't build success. Until you learn to live with discipline, motivation won't take you far. If you don't believe that yet, listen to today's story till the end. It might just change the way you see success forever. In a peaceful village near the hills, there lived a young man named Liam. He had big dreams. He wanted to become a skilled carpenter and build beautiful homes. Every day, he watched success stories online, listened to podcasts, and told himself, starting tomorrow, I'll work harder than ever. Just the thought of change made him feel powerful. But that feeling didn't last long. After a few days, he'd sleep in, skip his work, and say, I'll start again tomorrow. Days passed, then weeks. Liam started to feel frustrated and guilty. One afternoon, while sitting near the workshop, he noticed his neighbor Noah, an older carpenter, who seemed to improve every single day. Noah woke up early, followed a schedule, and never misses practice. How do you do it, Noah? Liam asked, how do you stay so motivated all the time? Noah smiled and said, I don't. I rely on discipline, not motivation. Liam looked puzzled. But isn't motivation what keeps you going? Noah shook his head gently. Come to my workshop tomorrow morning before sunrise, he said. I'll show you something important. The next morning, the air was cool and quiet. Liam arrived at Noah's workshop, where an old carpenter named Mr. Harris was already working. His hands were steady, his eyes calm, a man who had clearly spent a lifetime mastering his craft. Noah, said Mr. Harris, could you tell Liam the story you once told him about discipline? The old man smiled. Of course. Liam, see this wooden chair? I've been making one like this every morning for the last 40 years, rain or shine. Sometimes it would cracks. Sometimes customers don't come. And sometimes I'm too tired to even lift my tools. But I still show up every single day. Liam asked softly, why do you keep doing it, if it's so hard? Mr. Harris chuckled, because this is my duty. If I only worked when I felt like it, I'd never finish anything. Motivation fades, but discipline stays. He paused, then pointed to a small oak tree growing behind the workshop. See that tree? 10 years ago, it was just a tiny seed. Every day, I watered it, even when people said it was pointless. For years, it didn't grow an inch. But underground, it was building strong roots. Now look at it, tall, strong, unshaken by storms. Discipline works the same way. You may not see results for a long time, but if you stay consistent, one day your growth will surprise everyone. Those words hit Liam deeply. He realized he'd been chasing excitement instead of commitment. From that day, he changed his routine. Whether he felt inspired or not, he worked on his craft. Even when tired, he practiced his designs. When he wanted to sleep in, he reminded himself, discipline first. Days turned into months and months into years. Slowly, his work became the best in the village. People started to admire his skill and his dedication. And whenever someone asked, Liam, what's your secret to success? He would smile and say, motivation starts a journey, but discipline finishes it. Success isn't about doing big things once in a while. It's about doing small things right every single day. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Stay disciplined. And you'll build your own future one steady step at a time. If you like this story, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. What did you learn from Liam's journey? See you in the next story.